Going on, guys? We're going to analyze Nvidia's price action. So today we're essentially flat. We're down 1% or percent and a half here on Nvidia, trading at 127. So we're down $1.72 as of right now. One thing that I'm looking at here on the 5-minute time frame is we've had some extended selling today, and we're kind of double, triple bottoming down here at this linear regression. This could be a very good opportunity for a cheap long on a smaller time frame, just due to the fact that if we do start to give up this level, okay, and we start to close below, we've got a lot more significant room down. I want to show you guys that where we could immediately flip our bias and go to the short side. Again, I'd use maybe about 25 cents below this bottom wick here, 127.26. Maybe $127 as an absolute max pain on this potential trade. I'd try to target prices upwards towards 128, 128.75, and 129. Now, here's the bigger potential trade. If we look at the daily chart on Nvidia, this is setting up for an absolute macro short position, okay? We're trading below the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average. We're confirming the previous 2 days channel. So if we start to get below today's lows, $127.27, we've got a lot more room to come down. We could potentially be looking at prices of $120, $121. We've got a lower Bollinger Band sitting down here at 119.50. I hope this helps you guys out. This is what I'll be looking for tomorrow, is that short position. But again, if we get any type of bounce into the close today is the 15th of July. Look for this to hold, okay? If this does not hold and we continue to close at these levels tomorrow, any pop, any green open, any burst off the open, I'm looking for the rejection, and I'm looking for this level to give out. Once this level gives out, a lot of room down here on Nvidia to these particular ranges and this particular range here. So go back on your charts, look to June 24th, look to July the 1st, July the 2nd, and July the 3rd. This range is what I'll be looking to target at as a potential price target on a short position here on Nvidia.